Korean class.
안녕하세요. This is Kim Sam. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to express I want in Korean. After you watch this video, you are able to express I want to go there, I want to have this, I want to do something in Korean. You know, if you want to translate English word want to Korean, your translator will show you the verb 원하다. However, Korean don't use 원하다 a lot. 전 음식을 원해요, which means I want some food. It sounds like very tough and strong. It sounds like I want some food. If you don't give me some food, I might kill you. Korean don't say like that. We Korean people like to use 고 싶다 with verb rather than 원하다. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to break down how to use 고 싶다 like Korean people use. Let's dive into it. Listen carefully to the conversation.
수진 씨, 무슨 영화를 보고 싶어요?
저는 로맨틱 코미디 영화를 보고 싶어요. 정연 씨는요?
저는 공포 영화를 좋아해요.
공포 영화요? 무서운 영화는 별로예요.
하하, 농담이에요. 벌써 로코가 좋아 예매를 했어요.
정연 씨도 로코 보고 싶었어요?
아, 저는 수진 씨가 보고 싶었어요.
Is it difficult? Might be. I'm gonna explain sentence by sentence. In the last class, Jonghyun and Sujin decided to go to see a movie, right? And now they meet in front of the movie theater and talk about the movie. First of all, Jonghyun said, 수진 씨, 무슨 영화를 보고 싶어요? Hey Sujin, what kind of movie do you want to watch? In this sentence, 무슨 영화 is what kind of movies. 무슨 means what kind of. 영화 is movie. 무슨 영화 is what kind of movies. And 보고 싶어요. This is a question. We found here 고 싶다, 보고 싶다, the verb 보다, to see or to watch, and 고 싶다, then 어요. You remember 어요? That is the first topic in this grammar curriculum. So, 수진 씨 무슨 영화를 보고 싶어요? Hey Sujin, what kind of movie do you want to watch? Okay? And Sujin answered, 저는 로맨틱 코미디 영화를 보고 싶어요. I want to watch romantic comedy movies. Just write down romantic comedy in Korean alphabet, 한글. So romantic comedy, right? 정연 씨는요? And you? How about you, 정연? 정연 answered, that is interesting. 저는 공포 영화를 좋아해요. I like horror movies. 공포 영화 is horror movies. Do you like horror movies? 공포 영화? I hate it. I think Sujin doesn't like it as well. 공포 영화요? Horror movies? Sujin might be scared and said 무서운 영화는 별로예요. 무서운 영화는 scared movie is 별로예요. 별로예요 means not to be interested in or don't like. I don't like horror movies. 정연 said haha, laughing, hahaha. 농담이에요. It's a joke. 벌써 로코가 좋아 예매를 했어요. 벌써 means already. I already bought movie ticket. That is 로코가 좋아. 로코가 좋아 is a movie title. Movie title is not very important in this description, but one thing I want to tell you is 로코, which is a short for romantic comedy. It's kind of slang. You know, it is very common among Korean young people to speak short form words. You know, romantic comedy are 6 letters in Hangul. It is hard to pronounce all of them, so we just say 2 letters, 로코. Like the word loco, there are a lot of short form words Korean people use, but you probably can't find them in your Korean textbook, so just to keep that in your mind. Loco is romantic comedy. I will add more short form words to my lesson in future. And you need to remember the vocabulary 예매를 하다, which means book a ticket. Some Korean learners are confused between 예매를 하다 and 예약을 하다. I can simply explain it. You know, for watching movies or concert, you need to buy a ticket for a concert or movies. Buying a ticket in advance is 예매를 하다. But making a reservation without a ticket, like restaurant or busy hospital, we just say 예약을 하다. Got it? Okay, next. 수진 said, 정현 씨도 로코 보고 싶었어요? Here is 로코 again. Romantic comedy. Did you want to watch romantic comedies too? And 정현 replied, well, 저는 수진 씨가 보고 싶었어요. I just wanted to see you, Sujin. Oh my gosh, that is very interesting. You know, I made this conversation and I'm so excited what will happen between them. I don't know, maybe it's because I've been watching too much K-dramas. Anyway, the story will be continued in the next video. Well, 보고 싶다 is here again. 보고 싶었어요. And I want to let you know another meaning of 보고 싶다. Korean words 보다 means to watch, to look, to see in English. So one of the meaning of 보고 싶다 is I miss you. I desired to see you. I really wanted to see you. That is I missed you, right? So 저는 수진 씨가 보고 싶어요. He's doing sweet wordplay, 말장난. I just wanted to see you, Sujin. I missed you, Sujin. That's what couples said to each other a lot. 보고 싶었어? I think I explained it well, so let's read this sentence by sentence with me. When I read this sentence first, you listen to my pronunciation and follow to read, right? 수진 씨, 무슨 영화를 보고 싶어요? 저는 로맨틱 코미디 영화를 보고 싶어요. 정현 씨는요? 저는 공포 영화를 좋아해요. 공포 영화요? 무서운 영화는 별로예요. 하하, 농담이에요. 벌써 로코가 좋아 예매를 했어요. 정현 씨도 로코 보고 싶었어요? 저는 수진 씨가 보고 싶었어요. 고 싶다 is attached to a verb. When the verb meet 고 싶다, that expresses the speaker's desire or wish. For example, when 보다, to see, meet 고 싶다, we put 고 싶다 after the verb stem 보, so that become 보고 싶다. I desire to watch, I want to see, I missed. Another example here is 먹다, which means to eat. If we put 고 싶다 after the verb stem 먹, so 먹고 싶다, I desire to eat, I wish to eat, I want to eat. In the same way, when 가다, to go, meet 고 싶다, it will be 가고 싶다, I want to go. And 갖다, to have something to own, can be 갖고 싶다, I want to have this. Okay? 하다, to do something, can be 하고 싶다, I want to do that. And you know, in the Korean sentence, the subject could be omitted very often. If the listener know or guess what the subject is, the speaker omitted the subject very often. When we say 고 싶다, the subject is very clear, the speaker. Okay? So if the subject is omitted, we can guess the subject is the speaker. 저는 한국에 가고 싶어요. I want to go to Korea. Here is the subject. 저. If you say just like 한국에 가고 싶어요, all the listeners know the speaker wants to go to Korea. So you can omit the subject when you say 고 싶다. It doesn't matter. Okay, I will show you some verbs and you read it 고 싶다 with the verb stem. Okay, first 가다, 가고 싶다, right? 먹다, 먹고 싶다. 하다, 하고 싶다. 보다, 보고 싶다. Good. 사다, 사고 싶다. 갖다, 갖고 싶다. 살다, 살고 싶다. Well done. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you some questions and you look at the picture and answer to me. Okay? 어디에 가고 싶어요? 경복궁에 가고 싶어요. 무엇이 먹고 싶습니까? You answer to me in formal setting. That is 김치. 김치가 먹고 싶습니다. Good. 무슨 음악이 듣고 싶어? And you will answer to me 반말 too. Okay. K-pop이 듣고 싶어. In this video, we learned how to use 고 싶다. Don't forget to use 고 싶다 with the verb stem when you want to speak I want something, I want to do something. Okay? If this video is helpful, hit the like and subscribe my channel. 그럼 또 만나요. 안녕!